Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix One UI 7 not showing on your Samsung devices. So if you're having just trouble, here's a simple guide. So step 1, check if your device can get One UI 7. That means open your settings about phone and software information. This is the same drill for iOS if they're checking for updates. Make sure your phone for Apple, or sorry about that, for Android devices or Samsung devices is applicable for One UI 7. So check your current UI version or UI 7 works on your Galaxy models like S23, S24, Z, Fold 5, and recent A series. Now check for available updates. The same drill, if there's an update available, follow it and update your phone. Now, for some reason that problem still persists, go and clear your system cache. Turn off your phone, press and hold the power and up button volume, use volume button to wipe case passion, and press power button and select reboot system now. So basically, we're going to clear and reboot. Step 4. Update using Samsung Smart Switch. So download Samsung Smart Switch on your computer. It should be looking like this. Samsung Smart Switch. Give me a second here. Perfect. So go onto the website right there, and this is how it should look like. This is Samsung Smart Switch. Now going back in here, connect your phone with a USB cable and go for it. And then reset app preferences for step 5. Go to settings, application, tap 3 dots, and reset app preferences. Actually, step 5 works every time for me, and restart your device. Now lastly, for everything you have tried and something still persists, contact Samsung support. Use Samsung members application, visit a Samsung store, or call a Samsung customer service. It's gonna be easy on checking the Samsung customer service by going on internet and Samsung customer service. You're gonna get a lot of numbers here depending on your area. Alright? So that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.